Hey everyone, Dan with True North Motos. Today we're going to go over a new product that we're about to put on the website. So these are spacers that we 3D print to mount our all-in-one taillight on a 17 through 19 XCW under fender. So if you wanted to mount one of these on, say, an EXC to get rid of the television set on the back, you can get the under fender and the taillight. Or if you want to do one of these in our dual sport kits, this is how you would mount this system up. So tools you'll need is a T20 Torx and a 2.5mm Allen. This is your hardware and the spacers. So what we're going to do to start, we're going to take these. We're going to start the spacers on this first. So spacers are going to go into the flat end. I've already threaded these in, so I can kind of do it by hand right now, but you'll have to cut threads the first time you do it. So we'll get those pretty close, but to where you can still spin that. So we'll go a little bit more. All right, now I can move it and it's snug. Let's grab your other one. Same thing on this guy. Okay, still move it. Okay, so when you're mounting this, the part that points out, that's the top of your light. License plate light's on the bottom right here. So now, take these. It's kind of a pain to hold and do all this, so I'll do my best here. Put this through and match it up, it'll come out there. Okay, it started. Well, maybe it was started. Okay. Okay, now it's wanting to spin the spacer, so we're going to tighten our light up, orient those so the angle's right. You can see how this is going to sit when it's done. Let's tighten our light. These are plastic screws, so don't go crazy. Snug. Also plastic screws, so let's feed them so they're tight. Okay, you can see that's secure, it's in there. We can double check now on our taillight part. Okay, we're snug. Snug. And then this is just going to be plug and play. So you plug your turn signals in, tuck your connectors back here, and then route this up and plug your taillight in. You'll see a picture on the website of it sitting in the fender and how it looks, but it fits nice and cleanly in there.